We also replaced all of the gutters with new 6-inch oversized gutters to catch all the water runoff. We reflashed all of the chimneys with new flashing and painted everything. We also replaced all of the metal roof there in the front. There's a little metal piece over the front door. We replaced that too. So everything on their roof is brand new and fresh and clean and sealed up really tight. And so they have a 25-year warranty on the labor and lifetime on the material. So if you need any help, give us a call and we'll hop to it.